Imagine this.
Yesterday is finished.
Yesterday is the past.
We talk about the past.
Today, you learn how to talk about yesterday in English.
Simple English.
Easy English.
Let us begin.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we talk about yesterday.
Talking about yesterday.
We use past simple.
Past simple.
Very easy.
Very simple.
First word, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Say it again.
Yesterday.
Yesterday means one day before today.
One day before today.
Practice. Yesterday, I worked.
Yesterday, I worked.
Yesterday, I studied.
Yesterday, I studied.
Very good. Now, listen carefully. In English, we change the verb.
Change the verb.
Work becomes worked.
Worked.
Study becomes studied.
Studied.
These verbs are regular verbs.
Regular verbs.
They end with ed.
End with ed.
Say with me. Work, worked.
Work, worked.
Study, studied.
Study, studied.
Good job. Tom, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I worked.
Say the full sentence slowly.
Yesterday, I worked.
Very good. Listeners, your turn. Pause and say, yesterday, I worked.
Good.
More verbs. Watch,
Watch,
watched.
watched.
Clean,
Clean,
cleaned.
cleaned.
Practice sentences. Yesterday, I watched TV.
Yesterday, I watched TV.
Yesterday, I cleaned my room.
Yesterday, I cleaned my room.
Excellent. Now, time words.
Time words.
Yesterday morning,
Yesterday morning.
yesterday afternoon,
Yesterday afternoon.
yesterday evening,
Yesterday evening.
last night.
Last night.
Practice. Yesterday morning, I woke up early.
Yesterday morning, I woke up early.
Wait. Wake up is special.
Special.
Wake up becomes woke up.
Woke up.
This is an irregular verb.
Irregular verb.
Say it. Wake up, woke up.
Wake up, woke up.
Very good. More irregular verbs. Go,
Go,
went.
went.
Eat,
Eat,
ate.
ate.
Practice. Yesterday, I went to work.
Yesterday, I went to work.
Yesterday, I ate breakfast.
Yesterday, I ate breakfast.
Good. Tom, tell me about your yesterday.
Yesterday, I woke up early.
Good. Continue.
I ate breakfast.
Good. Continue.
I went to work.
Excellent. Listeners, now you try. Pause and speak. Say 3 things about yesterday.
Great job.
Now, questions.
Questions.
Did you work yesterday?
Did you work yesterday?
Answer yes or no.
Yes, I did.
Or
No, I did not.
practice. Did you study yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
No, I did not.
Very good. Short answers are important.
Important.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
No, I did not.
No, I did not.
Now, negative sentences.
Negative sentences.
Yesterday, I did not work.
Yesterday, I did not work.
Yesterday, I did not go out.
Yesterday, I did not go out.
Very clear. Now, feelings yesterday.
Feelings.
Happy,
Happy.
tired,
Tired.
busy.
Busy.
Tom, how did you feel yesterday?
Yesterday, I felt tired.
Felt.
Felt.
Feel becomes felt.
Feel becomes felt.
Good. Practice sentence. Yesterday, I felt happy.
Yesterday, I felt happy.
Now, a small story.
A story.
Yesterday, I woke up early.
Yesterday, I woke up early.
I ate breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
I went to work.
I went to work.
I worked all day.
I worked all day.
In the evening, I watched TV.
In the evening, I watched TV.
At night, I slept early.
At night, I slept early.
Very good story. Listeners, tell your story. Use simple sentences. Pause and speak.
Great job.
Now, let's review.
Review time.
Yesterday,
Yesterday.
worked,
Worked.
studied,
Studied.
went,
Went.
ate,
Ate.
woke up.
Woke up.
You did amazing today.
Very good job.
Comment below. Tell me about your yesterday.
Yes, comment and practice English.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
And share this podcast with your friends.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.